You should stop following your current workout plan and change your trainer immediately. If you are observing these 5 signs, you are not sure whether your training program is well designed or not. When I first started training, I asked these questions to myself every week, and I got really frustrated because I saw that the instructor I was learning from did not know either. They just put exercises together, randomly said a number of sets and reps, and off they go. Although it is very broad topic, but I have bring out 5 signs that will tell you whether your workout plan is appropriate or not. Number 1. You train your muscle group once per week. If you want to maximize your muscle gain, you should train your muscle group more than 10 sets a week, and 1 day of training for each muscle is not enough for muscle growth. Number 2. You feel sore for 3 to 4 days. At the start of a new program, your muscles are likely to be sore for several days. But if that soreness persists for several days over several weeks, you are probably training too hard or with too much volume. Number 3. You don't quantify your volume. Training volume is one of the most important variables in the training programming, since it is known that up to a certain point, the more volume, the more muscle gain. It is important to know how many series you do to have a reference in the future. Number 4. You don't know how hard to train. If you don't know how hard or how easy to train, how do you know if you are doing it right? Stay between 2 to 3 sets before muscle failure for most of the program. This is a good place to start to quantify your intensity. Number 5. You train for more than 2 hours per day. I have seen a lot of people who just spend more than 2 hours in the gym. Unless you are a very advanced person, it is very likely that you should not train more than 2 hours a day. Most people will see the most progress between 1 hour to 1.5 hours per session 4 to 5 times a week. Write down in the comment section what type of workout regime you follow.